my husband does my makeup tutorial tag, and this is Daniel, my husband, and you will hear Phoenix down there stomping around. Stomping around.
Snopping around.
Are you excited? I'm excited.
It's gonna be something.
So I have moisturizer on my face already, so he doesn't have to do that step, but he's gonna do every other step, and I'm going to try my hardest not to say anything to give away what he has to do next and the steps and what each thing is, so we will see.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
This is gonna be fun. You ready?
Yeah.
Phoenix.
Our dog is whining.
So Daniel, what's first?
I'm assuming that foundation goes first.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, this is foundation. So this is hang on, shape tape, and so you got Super Stay, Shape Tape, and Infallible.
Yes.
And I remember that you did a video on Infallible.
I did.
I don't remember what the consensus of that was. This one I like the bottle better, so I'm
going for the Shape Tape.
Yeah,
show it to him, Daniel.
It's Shape Tape by Tarte.
Yes, it is.
Is that how you pronounce it, Tarte?
Yes.
So here this is. Okay, it just doesn't look like it gets that much on there. Crap.
Okay.
I don't want to do this. I'm insecure about this.
Oh my gosh.
This is gonna be bad.
Just do it.
All right, like that.
Oh my
A little thing that just doesn't look right. It already doesn't look right.
Okay.
I'm judging myself. I guess you put it on your nose too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And then I'm just trying to make sure that. I mean, are you wanting full coverage?
Oh my gosh.
And then here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes.
Does that feel wrong?
No, it's just weird.
Okay.
Because someone else is doing it.
Okay, that's not enough. I gotta put more on there. I'm nervous. You're pretty no matter what. And then chin.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'm worried that I would miss it. All right. I hope this is the right thing. Which way do you use it? This way or?
That one.
I want to use this one.
Because it has a bigger surface on it.
Because it's got a bigger surface on it.
It does, yes.
I don't know if that was like a yeah, I wanted to do that or not. Okay. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
I don't know how this is supposed to look. It's not looking like I imagined it would look.
Does it look better? Okay.
This is not.
And it ends up going there.
Is it? So, did I prematurely use this thing?
Mm-mm.
So I did it right.
Mm-hmm.
As far as chronology goes. So like chronology. I feel like I missed places like right there.
Well, then blend it in.
Blend it in or put more on?
I can't tell you.
I'm gonna put more on. And then blend it in. But I'm not gonna put as much on.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you.
Nice on my fingers, gross.
Thank you.
Alright, we're gonna blend that in.
Mm-hmm.
You do this a lot better than me. Glad I don't have to do this.
I'm glad you don't either. Okay. So what's next? Ah, yes.
This is contour concealer. Okay. So dark circles, I'm assuming, would go under your eyes. So let's shake it. Remember, you gotta shake it. Too much. I feel like a lot.
That's so weird.
Does it feel like a lot?
No.
Okay. I mean, it may be a lot.
Oh God. Just don't put my eye out. Okay.
All right.
You can use that again. It'd be okay.
Okay. Close. You don't squint.
I can't help
I can't work like this.
when someone's taking the sponge up against your eye. You're gonna squinch. I don't know what I just said.
I don't know. You said squinch.
I'm cheating. I'm gonna help him. Oh, look at that thing that magically appeared. What is that?
I mean, I was saving that. What do it?
It's powder.
Okay.
What do you think you do with it? Yes. Yes.
I pick it right?
Yes.
Yeah! I mean, that's just because it's the biggest brush in the whole thing, but...
Okay. Okay.
Let's start here.
Okay.
Oh, it's everywhere! Oh, you're supposed to do that.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
What's next?
I'll say blush.
Okay.
Does that feel about right? Okay. I don't know how this works.
I'll put this up for you.
Still use the same brush? No,
You can.
but I won't because it's clearly not what you would do. But this looks like it's got red on it,
Okay.
but it doesn't. This one.
Yes.
Okay.
Phoenix approves. Phoenix.
That's blush. What's this?
That is a bronzer.
Is bronzer something that you use?
Yes. Bronzer / contouring.
Okay.
Does that help?
I hope so. I know blush has to go on cheeks. I just don't know where.
My cheeks are only in one spot.
But there's a pretty good space there to put stuff on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
How far down are you gonna go, Daniel?
I'm just trying.
You're looking it up at my chin.
But it doesn't look like that.
It doesn't look good. Yeah, it does look pretty. Phoenix.
Look at me.
It's okay. All right. Well, what's next?
Eyes.
We could do eyes. I don't know how to explain.
I've heard
eyes.
this. I'm gonna do this from the Jaclyn Hill palette a lot.
Yeah. Okay. So what do you start with? Yes. That one will work.
That's my first choice. First try.
That one will work. That one will work. Okay. Going with seafoam green. What's that color called?
You said seafoam green.
It's called Diva.
Oh boy.
Mm. Okay.
Oh, good gosh, I hope this isn't going to be terrible. Because this is like the most vivid color I've picked so far. Are you nervous? Okay. Is there a lot of art that goes into putting on eyeshadow?
Yes.
How do you blend it?
Remember windshield wiper and circles.
Swirkles. We go
Oh gosh. Okay. Good?
Kind
Look good?
Like a black eye, but...
Okay. That's okay. Yep. Yeah. With this queen? Yes, queen in the Jekyll and Hyde palette, which is a crazy gold metallic color.
Like copper.
Ow.
Ow. Close your dang eye if you're gonna whine about it. Epic ink liner.
Oh, please don't kill my eyes.
Oh gosh, I'm super
Oh
nervous.
god, please don't kill my eyes. Mm-hmm.
Shoot. Crap! I didn't.
There's no starting over.
Oh, it's gonna be pretty. It's just gonna have a bump. If that bump wasn't in there, it'd be pretty good. But it's in there. There's nothing I can do about it.
Okay, that's okay. All right, that's fine.
Nothing I can do.
Nothing you can do.
I am not about to put on mascara for you. That's stupid. So she can do that herself.
I'll put mascara on, but eyebrows. Yep, remember that's my wand.
What's this side? What does that do?
It's a brush. So you brush them out. Now brush it out, brush it out, brush it out. Oh wow, yeah. Oh god. Don't touch my
I
eyes.
can't help it. Okay.
Okay, now what? It doesn't look too bad in the monitor from what I can see.
Well, I mean, this looks bad.
No. Now what?
Oh gosh.
You want to do contour?
Is it this brush?
It's just so fluffy. Yeah.
I don't know.
That's okay. Alright, why don't you just open it up first?
Instruction.
There's no instructions. Now think about the places on a face that you'd want to make thinner, like my cheekbones, like underneath my jawline, and like my hairline.
Your hairline.
Mm-hmm. Those are great places to put contour. Is that where my cheekbone is? No, you missed a step.
I missed a step. Highlighting.
Well, actually, you missed 2 steps.
Highlight the cupids. Oh, your lips. They're perfect.
You
There's
got,
no way.
you gotta put lipstick on. All right. Yes.
I know this thing because
Fan
they do
brush.
this. I actually know where this goes. Here, right here, and on the cupid's bow, and chin.
And everywhere else, yes.
And everywhere else? No. I don't go anywhere else.
All right, let's do it.
Where's highlighters at?
You had it before. Yes, memory. You want me to make a face? How's that look?
I mean, I guess it looks fine.
Do you want to use this brush
For
highlighting? It might show up more.
okay.
Okay. No?
It's showing up more. Okay.
You just like doing that.
I like making fun of you people.
Us people?
You makeup,
That's not nice.
makeup connoisseurs.
Mm.
Why is this liquidy?
The liquid lipstick or that one.
I don't know what's gonna happen here. It's gonna be bad. What are these colors? They're all. Ooh. This one's more natural looking, so I'm gonna go with that.
Okay.
Worst thing I've done so far. It's terrible. Okay,
All right, now what?
close your eyes. I'm done.
The eyeliner's awful.
That's because you did that, and then I did that bump.
The lipstick isn't as bad as you may think. Made it.
You look like your lip is like dropping off at the bottom.
I fixed it.
Did you though?
Okay, fine. Okay. Well, what do you think, Daniel?
I think that I'll leave this stuff to you. And I'm glad that men don't have to put makeup on. We're just naturally pretty. I'm just kidding. I think you would probably look prettier before I put the makeup on.
Alright.
She's gotta do that whole like.
Thanks, guys. Alright, well, guys, thank you for joining us today. Please make sure to subscribe down below and hit the like and notification bell. And you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Bye.
We gotta do this.
Woo!